Hey there, it's Sunshine. Today I'm working on a strap, and most of you probably already know how to make a strap, but I cut 2 pieces of jean material. I joined it here first, which I sewed across here, and then I opened the seams, and then I sewed up each side, and now I'm going to turn it. And to turn it, you just start in like this, and you feed the material through there, and you pull gently, and then you feed some more material in there. It takes some patience, but you'll get there, and just stuff it in there, and you can pull it out. You can also get a yardstick to help you with this, or you could get a long piece of wood or metal to also help you turn it. But you'll find if you just keep stuffing this in there, it's gonna help you turn it eventually anyway. Just pull on the end here and keep pulling this out. I find when I'm sewing I don't always have a yardstick or something like that, so I have to just learn how to go ahead and do it. And I'm being careful not to rip the seams that I did my sewing on. And it's pretty easy to make a strap. It's just a little frustrating getting it turned, and then I take out my iron, and then I will iron it flat before I attach it to my project. Sometimes when I'm working on something like this and I have leftover material, I'll go ahead and sew a couple of them, and so that way my next project I already have my strap. And I like making them out of jean material because it is very, very strong, and it's less sewing in the long run if you use a material that you really know is going to be strong. And I will go ahead and turn this, and this is part of my videos of teaching Richard to sew, and these are basic skills, and I hope you really enjoy it. And no matter what level of project you're working on, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day.